Please, I was terrorized by officers. I was tased once, and then they held me. Please understand.
On July 4th, 2023, officers from the Illinois Police Department responded to a reported incident of shoplifting involving a female suspect.
Hello.
We were just negotiating. Still.
Everything good?
She's coming with me, Rick.
Okay.
Okay, this way.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
come out.
Yeah.
Do you need me at all?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, you're in Hawaii.
Some kind of formal trespass because we need to be doing this.
Okay.
So one way
It's
or
not
another.
bikini.
No, I know, but one way or another, we keep doing this. Where you gotta go, John? The doors are closed. It's too late.
Right, I didn't do anything.
So go that way. Go this way.
Please don't touch
Stop.
me. Please, sir.
Stop.
I have groceries and I have
Okay.
kids at
Right now
home.
you're under arrest.
No,
You understand?
I'm not. Why?
Let's go this way. Let's
Please,
go
please,
this way.
let go of me.
Nope.
Please let go.
John, honey, don't
Please
make
let go of me.
a
No, I'm just asking him to let go of me. Look, please let go of me.
John.
I just want him to let
make
go
a
of me.
scene. Come in
Please
here
don't.
and
I'm
sit down.
very.
Just
please.
comply and you won't
Let
get
go
hurt.
of me.
No.
Please.
Not gonna let
Let go
go.
of me.
Privacy. Look at all these
I
people
know,
looking at you.
right?
Let's go.
This is
All you
not-
have to
not
do,
me.
I'm giving you a lawful order. I'm giving you a lawful order to come in here. All these people are watching that you're disobeying a lawful order.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Step inside now.
Please.
Step inside.
I can't be under arrest. I have kids at home.
Step inside
Please
now.
stop being upset with me.
Now you are resisting. That's another charge.
No.
Step
Please
inside.
stop it. Please, I'm begging you.
Nope, you are under arrest.
Okay, let go of me.
You are resisting. You are
Please
under
let go of
arrest.
me.
Go sit down.
Please let go of me.
Go sit down.
Please let go of me.
9213,
Please
step it up.
stop it. Please let go of
No.
me. Sir! Ow! No! You're not going to do this to me.
Stop.
You're
Or else you will
hurting
get
me! Tased! I have a pacemaker defibrillator!
Okay.
I cannot get tased!
I am giving you a lawful order
I
to
am
stop.
asking you to stop! I didn't do anything
Stand there
wrong!
and look for a door.
Please stop touching me! I'm walking out with
No,
my groceries!
you are not going anywhere.
Yeah?
You are
Okay.
not.
Why?
You must have by the grocery side entrance where the...
This is... I'm calling my... No. This is
The
not
loss
right.
prevention.
Excuse me. Stop it. I didn't do anything. Please, I have to get home to my kids. No. No. If you please, I will turn myself in. You cannot
Nope.
cuff me and do this. I will. No, please.
Nope.
I'm not well.
33 years
I'm not joking with you.
These are on. You're
I
not going anywhere.
have.
Calm down. Stand up.
Please, I was terrorized by officers. I was tased once,
40 feet.
and then they held me. Please understand.
We don't want to go that route.
Please, I can't. Please, I'll turn myself in. Walk.
Just calm down.
Please don't do
Stand
this
up.
to me, please.
I have given you. I have
I
given
just
you
can't.
lawful orders to
Please,
stand
I
up.
want my mom here. Please, just come on. Please, I'm begging you. I have my kids at home. Please help me. Please help me. Please, I can't take it. Please, you don't
You're
understand.
making it worse.
I understand that, but you don't understand what I'm saying, sir.
We're
Please.
fine. But we have to do what we have to do.
I understand. I cannot be under arrest. Please.
Stand up.
Please, no.
Stand up.
Please don't hurt.
We'll have a warrant.
I understand that.
Hey.
That's I have a lawyer.
we can't
but
just
I have
turn
a
our-
lawyer. It's not.
can't turn
No,
our-
I understand that, but I'm turning myself in with my lawyer.
You think?
I have. You can call it.
Listen, let me talk. You think that we want to do this right now?
Well,
It's the
that-
4th of July weekend.
I know. Please
None of
let
us
me
want
go
to
be
do
with
this
my
right now.
family.
Don't
please.
interrupt me when I'm talking. None of us want to do this.
Please.
Can we stand you up?
Stand up.
Please.
All right.
Stand up.
I'm just begging.
I'm going to help you stand up.
Stand
Ready?
up. None of us want to do this.
Come on.
Please, I won't touch.
We're placing you in handcuffs.
No,
You have to go in handcuffs.
Please,
So
no.
can you ma'am, just take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Please, no.
Ma'am?
No. Please, no. Please, no. Please, I'm begging you. You don't understand. Please, you don't understand. This is why I am.
Hold on a minute.
Please.
Just wait.
Please understand. Please, I'm begging you to
I
understand.
think you need to understand.
No, you don't understand.
We're not.
All we're doing.
Please, I was terrorized and I am scared
Okay.
and I can't do it.
There's 3 of us here. You've
I
got.
understand, please. Just take
recorded as well, ma'am.
I don't care.
Okay, well.
I am the but I can't take this. Please understand. I didn't first of all, I didn't do anything wrong. Here's my receipt and there's my stuff.
Okay, please place your hands up behind your back.
No, I can't be taken in. Please, I have a look. I'm sick. And please don't. Please, and where's my phone?
We'll get that for you.
No, it's not. You can't take my stuff. I didn't do anything wrong.
Ma'am, the more you move, the more you take. This is pushing behind.
Please stop. No.
Okay.
Please
All right.
understand.
Okay,
Please understand.
here's what
Please understand.
Stop.
Officers broke into my house.
Hold on.
You're gonna think I'm lying. 6 of them. And they pushed me down. They did not even have charges. Drug chains. I was held for 8 days.
Hold on.
They tased me when you knew I had a pacemaker. The warrant was for Lee County, which I don't even know where that is. I was in jail for 8 days. They came in, busted in. They terrorized my mom. They pushed me, broke down the bathroom door, and then they came on top of me, and 2 of them tased me at the same
She
time.
tried to get away.
Okay,
I stopped her.
Okay.
And I told her she was
Then-
under arrest.
Okay. Please.
She said no.
Just-
She's
I
getting
just-
away. I put her up against the wall. I said, now you're
They put me in jail, and nobody knew where I was for 8 days. They wouldn't even let me see a bond court judge. Please understand
None of us want to
that.
hurt her.
Please
I need to put her in
understand that.
handcuffs.
I will come with
This-
you to the station.
I just wanted you to be
Please,
here.
no, I did not do anything wrong right now. Please. Please.
Listen.
Please at least call my mom.
Are you ready for me?
Please call my mom.
Are you ready? Are you ready for me to talk?
You're an adult. We don't need to call you.
I'm not okay.
Are you-
Please
do you want-
understand.
do you want an
I'm never okay.
Do you want an ambulance?
I just want to
Okay.
be left alone. I didn't do anything. Please
Well,
leave me alone.
at
You're
this
terrorizing my
point in
life
time-
right now.
Nobody's terrorizing.
Yes, you are. I have
No,
kids
we're
at
not.
home, and I have pets at home.
Well, then you.
And I'm trying to go home.
You made a poor decision.
I didn't do anything.
Well, she's saying you did.
She could say that,
Okay.
but I
okay.
didn't.
And that's where it's getting.
And so my
that's
kids
where
have
it's
to go.
dissipated and-
Well, who's going to take care of my kids? No,
take care-
please.
we'll take care of these-
Don't.
we'll call these-
No, court. You said it. No,
You just
they
added
don't take
another
you to
charge.
court. They wouldn't
You're
even.
now- now you're getting.
Stop! Please let me call my mom.
I'm not playing-
Stop!
Nobody's
If you make my
talking about-
defibrillator go off, no! I have a pacemaker defibrillator.
Stop.
Ow!
Put your hands on.
No!
Put your hands behind your back. I got the bag.
Please, I'm just asking you to not cuff me.
Put your hands-
I'm asking you to not cuff me.
You got 3.
Please help me. Please, somebody help me.
Nobody's going to help you.
I know, right? Because this is terrible. Like, what did I do wrong? And look at all of you.
You're caught shoplifting.
Wait, look, all of you.
Okay, we're trying
Look
not
at all of you. No, wait. You're being
Because we don't want to
ridiculous.
hurt you.
No, you are.
No, you are hurting me. My kids are waiting for me at home.
Okay, step away from the
Please
wall.
understand. No. 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 No, please understand. I need my family. Here, let me call my mom.
Well, let me
I
ask
need
you-
someone to help me. I can't do this.
Stop.
No! Please help me. Please help me. Help me. Help me. Somebody help me. Help me.
Oh, see?
No.
Now you can stand up.
No, I can't. No, I can't.
1, 2, stand you up.
2,
Ready?
3.
All right.
No, you're gonna have to walk, ma'am. Okay?
Yeah, we go out. We're gonna. Why don't you pull the car out?
Please.
These are way too tight. Wait.
Ow! Ow!
Hold on.
Ow!
We're adjusting.
We are adjusting them.
Okay, I don't feel good.
Oh, they were on that website. The bag is
Don't you see you're taking me away from my kids? Don't take my. I have my
Dawn.
wallet in there.
Dawn.
Hey, babe, how did you pay for the groceries so I can fix it for you?
My food stamp card.
Your food stamp?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go
Please,
ahead.
no, I don't care.
We see you all the time in here.
All the time. I haven't even been in here forever. What are you talking about?
Since the alcohol?
Okay.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you saying all the time?
Yeah, you're
That's her
silly.
purse with her
No, I'm
wallet.
not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Wallet.
No, then you are.
No, I'm not.
Don't
About
go in
your
here.
car, is somebody gonna come get it?
No, I didn't. Please, it's my son. I sure he has a job.
So don't tow it?
Please, no.
Okay.
Please help me. Please. Why can't at least my mom or somebody be here with me?
Mom go out with you? Is she allowed, like, can she move and stuff? She can go out with you?
She can, I don't know. She can walk with
Maybe
me.
it's a good idea to bring her shopping with you wherever you go so that you...
This is not help. This is
accountability, right?
punishment. This is not.
No, we don't punish.
This is punishing. You know, by the time you see a judge, you're in jail. You're guilty until proven innocent. Innocent until proven guilty.
$10, $15 or something.
So we're here.
And I have it. Why would you do this to me for that?
You made a huge deal out of something that you could have
$15.
I tried. No, I did try. This is not help. This is not help.
10-4. This is our jurisdiction.
Please let me call my mom. Or somebody. Please.
chance to call people, but not right now.
Please.
Take a deep breath, okay?
I'd rather die than this. I'm not joking with you. Please understand. Oh my God. Please don't do this to me. I will leave everybody alone. I leave everybody alone. I
How
don't
much have you had to drink today?
I only had to, like...
I can smell it on you.
I know, but I just came from a 4th of July. My mouth is still dry. I need a regular drink. Not a drink, alcoholic drink.
How much have you had?
I only had 2 glasses.
Of what?
I don't know. It was
'Cause it's
something
not
with
beer.
vodka.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, it's an alcohol.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay. All this could have been handled
But
differently.
you said I was under arrest, right?
And you didn't comply.
You didn't say. You said I was under arrest. Why would you arrest me? I thought I could just go down to the station.
9273 units admired, 111199.
Please, I don't want. I just want to go to the station. Just forget it.
Or
Yeah, she knew she had a warrant.
I know I have a lawyer. He's trying to help me.
10-4, thank you.
Thank you.
So did you pay for other items too?
I did.
Okay.
I paid for some like 5 bags of groceries.
Okay, here you go. Have a seat.
Okay.
Watch your head and I'll put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
You can adjust. It'll get a little tight back there, but you can adjust.
Hang on. 1 second. Just a minute.
Okay. Now you can adjust a little bit so nothing's tight. Watch your toe in there. There you go.
I'm so sorry. This is my worst nightmare. I'm sorry.
None of us put this, again,
No,
none of us put this on wanting to hurt
I
anybody.
understand.
Okay, we were called for a reason.
No, I understand. You're doing your job, and I'm sorry.
Hi, sir. My name is Officer Mike Reiser with Round Lake Beach Police Department.
Hi, Officer Attorney Gordon. How are you?
Good, thank you. So we originally went for a shoplifting call, and you know, as funny as it may sound, it was for only $15 and some change. We did advise her, and then the warrant popped, and then I told her she's under arrest, and then she resisted as well.
Okay.
So that's where we are. So what I'm doing is I'm filling out paperwork, our administrative paperwork, our booking sheets, and I'm going to cite her with the incident that we had here, and then in the meantime I'm waiting for county to get back with me on the warrant.
The woman, who was reportedly in a distressed state, was subsequently charged with shoplifting and resisting arrest. Behind every headline is a human story. What do you believe is the right outcome?